Welcome back. Let's do question 114. Given the linear number pattern, which term of the pattern is equal to negative 492? In the previous question, we managed to find that Tn is equal to negative 5n plus 13. So which term of the pattern is equal to negative 492? So this is a term in the pattern. And we want to find out its term number. Is term number what? So this is our Tn. So we replace Tn with negative 492. Negative 492 is equal to negative 5n plus 13. Okay, then we can subtract 13 from both sides of the equation. So it becomes negative 492 minus 13 is equal to negative 5n. Then negative 492 minus 13, that is negative 505, is equal to negative 5n. Then divide by negative 5n on both sides of the equation. 101 is equal to n. So it means that therefore T101 is equal to negative 492. So it means negative 492 is term number 101.